So most of you know, but maybe some of you don't. So if your vehicle was purchased the first half of 2021 with the active prep package, the active CoPilot 360 prep, then your vehicle is ready for BlueCruise, but you just don't have it yet. The ones that produced in July and onward already are shipped with the BlueCruise active. And you know, those users are able to use BlueCruise today and have been able to use it since they bought their trucks. So they've been leaving us kind of in the dark, and we haven't had an update, and so we really haven't been notified or know what's going on. So this is the update we've been waiting for. All right, so in the first quarter, this 2022, there's a bulletin. I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna show it up on the screen. This is not a FOUO or classified or any secret, sensitive data from Ford. This is a bulletin that was released, so this is not like leaking secret information or anything like that. But there is a Power Up software update that's coming the first quarter of 2022 for us, the early build models, and it's going to include the BlueCruise, or you can go to your dealer and get it installed at the dealer level. So I don't know if they know how to do that yet, but they're gonna get it pretty soon, and you'll be able to go there. But here's the big thing that I was pretty excited about. So not only are they gonna update, you're finally gonna get that software package that everybody's been using. You're also going to get 1 year complimentary BlueCruise service, so you don't have to pay for it. It's free for us for a year. So the people that bought new vehicles from July through the end of last year, they had to pay for it. It was on their window sticker. We did not. We paid for the prep package, which is about half the cost. So this should normally cost us $600 to get the BlueCruise activated, and we have to pay for a 3-year subscription. Well, they're going to give us our first year free. So that's good news, because kind of helps make up for us being without this time while other drivers are out there enjoying their BlueCruise. And if you're as happy as I am to hear about this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my videos. More videos coming soon. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.